In this video I will introduce you to a PC case that really surprised me. The model is S5 from Zalman. So let's start with unboxing and then go on to the review. With a price of only $50, this PC case belongs to the cheaper cases, even though it looks more expensive both from afar and up close. The quality of workmanship is top in this price range and there is nothing to complain about. We will start with the look and design that I think that is perfectly matched. This case will fit seamlessly into any home, and I think it's ideal link between a gaming PC and a workstation, so it doesn't matter if you're a hardcore gamer or a regular user. I think the design is totally matched to suit everyone and not to go to any extremes. To the left of the case is a transparent side made of tempered glass. Under the tempered glass is a white metal part that I like because it still hides those somewhat ugly power supplies. Simple design on the front plus the base of the case looks especially attractive with enough space for excellent airflow. Since this is a medium-size ATX case, you should not expect miracles when it comes to the space, but there is enough space. In addition to the space for the 4 SSD on the right side, there are also 2 slots for older 3.5-inch HDD devices. The power supply is easy to insert and the excellent backside allows us easy access to the cables and the ability to hide all the cables. I like the large gap behind the motherboard, which make it easier to change the cooler on the motherboard. With this case you will also get a 240mm water cooling mount. There is also the dust filter on the top of the case, which can be easily removed with a magnet, and one on the bottom of the case which is not magnetic but does its job very well. Most graphic card will fit in this case without any problems, and for those with high-end GPU, much more expensive case are bought anyway. Conclusion of the story: if you're looking for a budget case that looks modern and does its job properly, my recommendation is Zalman S5. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and be prepared for more reviews. And now you can see the case when it's connected to the power, so check that RGB lights. Thanks for watching.